you like that.
But at what cost? I bought the car for $4,800. Carrier bearing 60, differential seals 17, axle seals 7, speedometer drive gear 127. New seat covers were 300. Vinyl spray for door cards 85. Dash pad recovering 300. To remake and re-veneer the dashwood 300. To straighten up the front bumper, remove guards, basically do everything there, 95 cents. This gives us a grand total of $5,996.95, which is just over £4,500 and 28 man-hours. Let's take her for a ride. Italy. What's not to love? Wine. Barrels of wine. Grapes that make wine. Upside down